welcome back to my channel, or hey, hello if you're new here. Today I have a winter magic makeup tutorial for you all, and I am super excited. I just came up with this eye look today, and I think it looks really cute and very wintry, so I thought that I would share it all with you today, so that is just what I'm going to be doing. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it. First, using the Eye and Cheek palette from Profusion Cosmetics, I am going to take the shade Embrace, and I am just going to apply that to my crease as my transition shade. Now, taking my blending brush, I'm just going to blend that shade out just a little bit into my crease. Taking the shade Betsy from the Profusion Eye and Cheek palette again, I am just going to apply that shade a little bit below the transition shade in my crease. Taking my blending brush again, I'm just going to blend those two shades together. Alright, now it's time to cut my crease, and to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer, and to set that concealer with, I am just going to be using the e.l.f. Pressed Powder, and to cut my crease, I'm just going to be using this little unicorn concealer brush. Using the Pigment Palace Modern Royalty palette, I am just going to be taking the shade Diamond and applying that to my lid. Alrighty, so I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put on some mascara, and then we'll be done with the eyes. Let's go ahead and finish up the rest of my face. So I'm going to be using the Profusion Face Kit from my bronzer today. And I'm just going to be using the bronzer in the shade Sunlight Bronzer just to warm up my complexion with. And to apply the bronzer, I'm just going to be using my angled unicorn brush. For blush, I'm just going to be using this e.l.f. blush in the shade Shy, and this is just a really pretty baby pink color, and I feel like it's going to go perfect with this eye look. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using the Profusion blush brush. Alrighty, next I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Illuminating Face Palette for my highlighter, and I'm just going to be using that white highlighter right there. And to apply it, I'm just going to be using my e.l.f. highlighting brush. Alright, last but certainly not least is lips, and then we are done. So to kind of tie in a little bit with the pink on our cheeks, I decided to go with a pink lip. So I'm just going to be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Blush, and then we'll be done. So that is the end of this makeup tutorial. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and I really hope you all did enjoy it. And I will see you all in my next one really, really soon. Bye guys. Thanks for watching.